Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is sweet roti or khoya roti. We will call it as chonge. Let's see the ingredients we need. Khoya, cardamom, sugar and milk. I will give the measurement and ingredients names in the description box. Here I have taken wheat flour. I'm adding pinch of salt and milk for softening of dough. Gently mix it with the dough. Now gradually we'll add water and make a soft dough out of it. Do not pour water at once only. Gradually add and mix and make a dough. Knead the dough for softness. Now we have a tip here. Add oil to the dough to retain its softness so that dough should not get dry. Keep aside for 15 minutes. Till the dough is resting, we'll take a vessel and make khoa. First I am adding milk. It is around 300 ml milk. Let it boil. And then I am gonna add khoa. We have 500 grams of khoa here. Now we'll mix this khoa with milk and combine together to make a slurry type of paste. Stir it continuously so that there should not be any strain at the bottom. Let it boil and then we will add sugar. Take a jar, add cardamom and sugar, make a powder of it. Now we'll add this powder to this slurry mixture of khoa and milk. We made powder because it will be easily dissolved into this slurry paste. Let this get one boil. Keep stirring in between to avoid strains. As you can see in the video, the paste has become little bit liquidish because of the sugar dissolving, and it is almost done. You should get this consistency. The resting dough is ready. Take some portion of the dough and then make peda. As you can see in the demonstration how I am going to roll it. First I roll twice and then I am applying oil to wherever I am going to fold it. Now I am dipping this peda into flour and with the help of rolling pin just make a roti of it. Roll it to round shape. Here I end up with the round roti. Now with the help of fork I am going to make some light holes. As you can see in the demonstration how I am going to make the holes in the roti with the help of fork. You can make any designs of your choice. Usually while making chonge, we will be having a different kind of chakla that will be designed in round shape, one beside other continuously. Here I am going to make in a different way, making holes so that all the paste or slurry liquid we made that will go into the rotis. Cook the roti on tawa as usual we do for chapatis or wheat rotis by applying oil. Apply oil on both the sides and turn them. Cook well. You can also use ghee. Once done, take out in a separate plate and keep aside. Do the same for all other rotis. As I am doing in the demonstration, you can follow my method for easy and quick roti. Roll it to the round shape and then cook it well on tawa. Once roti is ready, make holes with the fork. Place on tawa and then add oil, turn sides and cook well. It's done here. We will take out in a plate. Now place one roti and then add the slurry, khoa and milk paste. On this, apply all over the roti. I am adding gradually here so that it should go inside the roti too. Now I am flouring second roti. Similarly, pour the liquid of khoa and milk mix. Add gradually and spread over it. Once done, then we'll flour another roti and layer by layer we can add these rotis and serve it. If you like this recipe, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. So it is the special one in Muharram which is coming soon now. We prepare this recipe any time in the year, but many people prefer to have this recipe in special Muharram month. Tell me when you will have it in comment box. Thanks for watching.